receiving notice to appear for this arraignment. Given the nature of the offense and the fact that he appeared here when summoned, I would be asking for a personal recognizance bond. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. So the court's going to set a $100 personal recognizance bond. You don't have to post any money, but you do have to make sure that you make all of your court appearances and that you do not violate any state or local laws while you're, shoot, I knew it's coming. Don't violate any state or local laws while you are out on bond. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Good, good. Then anything further for the record, Ms. Donnelly?
No, thank you.
All right, then, sir, you are all set. You are free to go. You've got your paperwork, and have a great day.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Okay, so Miss Aldridge, if you could start your audio and video then, please.
There you go.
Okay, so Miss Donnelly, this is Miss Aldridge. She's here for an 8:30, and you're going to talk with Miss Donnelly in a breakout room, as I stated, ma'am. So it will be a private conversation. Anything that you say is entirely private. No one will hear or see you unless they're in the room with you. I also share with you that when you return to court, everything will be live streamed to YouTube, except I do stop the live stream when it's time to get your personal information. I've already done that. So if there's any other reason to turn it off, I would absolutely do that. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to see the word join pop up on your screen. You should see it now. All you have to do is tap the word.
Okay,
and
thank
same
you.
room, Ms. Donnelly, please. All right, Ms. Aldridge, we're going to go ahead and get you arraigned. And just as a reminder, this is live streamed to YouTube for public access. So your full name I have is Jane Alice Aldridge. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And Ms. Donnelly, your appearance, please.
Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant for the purpose of arraignment only while she appears separately by video.
All right, thank you. So this is file 25-02372 SM73 SM74 SM75 SM and 76 SM. These are all files that correspond to a ticket that was issued to you on August 2nd of this year at about 9:35 a.m. or 9:36 a.m. at the location of 400 Strathmore, City of Lansing, Ingham County, Michigan. There are 5 total charges. There are 4 charges of unlicensed dog. In other words, 4 dogs that were not licensed in the City of Lansing. The 5th charge is for a dog that was running loose or at large. So there's a total of 5 charges. The maximum penalties on each of those charges is up to 90 days in jail and or a $500 fine. Do you understand the 5 charges and the maximum penalties, Ms. Aldridge?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. Now, you do have rights, and I did go over your rights with you earlier this morning. Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, and I also went over your address and your phone number. The information that you provided me, that was accurate. Is that correct?
Correct.
Perfect. All right, then is she applying for an attorney today, Ms. Donnelly?
Your Honor, today Ms. Aldridge will be declining a public defender, but pleading not guilty and going to the pretrial stage.
Okay, thank you. So the court will enter a not guilty plea on each of the 5 charges, and you will return to court for a pretrial on September 9th. That is at 9:30 a.m. with Judge Cynthia Ward. We will mail that notice out to you with Zoom instructions as well, so that you can get into her courtroom. You won't want to get into mine because I won't be able to help you other than give you her ID, obviously. So at this point, I've got all the information that I need, Ms. Donnelly, if you would address. Oh, wait, I was going to say one more thing, and I know that Ms. Donnelly covered this, but if you come to court on September 9th and you're in over your head, I'm sure she told you this, you can apply for an attorney at that point. Do you understand that?
Yeah,
okay,
I do.
Very good. All right, then, Ms. Donnelly, if you would address bond, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Aldridge did get her notice to appear for the arraignment date today. As she's appeared when summoned and given the nature of the offenses, we'd be asking for a personal recognizance bond. Thank you.
Sure, absolutely. It's a $100 personal recognizance bond on each charge. That means that's a $500 PR in total. You do not have to post any money. We are releasing you today on your promise to return to court and your promise not to violate any state or local laws while you're on bond. So if you do that, you comply with those conditions, you appear as required, you will owe the court no money on those bonds. Does that make sense?
It does.
Okay, all right. Then anything else for the record, Ms. Donnelly?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, then Ms. Aldridge, you're all set. You're free to go. Thank you for your patience this morning, and just watch your mail.
All right. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, so this is our next person on the iPad, which I believe is Mr. Kaufman, Eric Kaufman. Let's see if I can get his attention here. Fortunately, you don't have to run upstairs.
No. Just totally fine.
Okay, Nick is going to get it turned on for him. There you go. Good morning, sir. Are you Eric Kaufman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Kaufman, I'm Magistrate Milmore. I'm going to do your arraignment today, but before that, we're going to have you speak with Miss Sarah Donnelly. She's an attorney with the Public Defender's Office, prepared to provide you with some advice today.
Okay.
So you are going to see the word join pop up on your screen. It's about in the middle of the screen. It's a little dark, I think, from what I've heard. All you have to do is tap on it. So you should see it now. Just
Okay.
tap on the word join and that'll get you right in the room with me. Same room, Miss Donnelly.
Salinas already, right?
So,
Mr. Salinas, I told you about him, right? That he's here?
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. He's late because he was getting fingerprinted.
Oh, that's all right.
I said, that's totally fine, don't worry.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Kaufman, we're gonna go ahead and get you arraigned. I
Okay,
do have to advise you that these proceedings are live streamed to YouTube, but I do stop the live stream when it's time to get your personal information. So I do protect that, okay?
okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Okay. So your full name is Eric Anthony Kaufman, correct?
Correct.
All right, thank you. And your appearance, please, Ms. Donnelly.
Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant for the purposes of arraignment only, while he appears separately by video.
All right, thank you. File 25-023770M. Sir, this is a ticket that was issued to you on August 1st. Excuse me. Let me try that again. All right. August 1st of this year, 5:37 p.m. at South Grand Avenue near East Ottawa Street, City of Lansing, Ingham County, Michigan. The charge alleges that you had open alcohol in public. That is contrary to law. It is a misdemeanor and it carries a maximum penalty of up to 90 days in jail and or a $500 fine. Do you understand the charge, sir, and the maximum penalty?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. All right. Now you do have rights, and we're going to go over those. You have the right to plead guilty, not guilty, or stand mute. You have the right to a trial by a judge or a jury. And at that trial, you can present or confront witnesses. If they would not appear, the court can order them to do so. You also have the right to a lawyer. If you cannot afford one, one can be appointed for you at court expense. Additionally, you are presumed innocent. If you're found guilty, sir, it must be beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good. Excuse me. Then, Ms. Donnelly, is he applying for an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court's going to enter a not guilty plea for you, and you're going to return to court for a pretrial on October 6th. That is at 2:00 p.m. It is with Judge Cynthia Ward. We're going to give you that notice today and the Zoom instructions on how to get into her courtroom by Zoom. If you don't want to use Zoom or you don't know how, you will have to appear in person. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. All right, then I am going to